If you own a Samsung, change these 5 hyper-aggressive security settings immediately to activate ghost mode on your hardware. Number 3 will honestly shock you. Let's lock it down. 1. Advanced device protection. Open your settings, tap Google, select all services, open advanced protection, and turn on device protection. This deploys Google's absolute highest tier of account security directly onto your hardware. It strips malicious third-party apps of deep system permissions, blocks unverified file downloads, and strictly shields your local data from sophisticated phishing networks trying to compromise your device link. 2. Network Wi-Fi Cloud Sync Lockdown. Open your settings, tap Connections, go to Wi-Fi, tap the 3 dots in the top right, select Advanced Settings, and toggle Sync with Samsung Cloud completely off. By default, your hardware constantly updates and syncs your saved Wi-Fi network credentials, physical locations, and access tokens straight to the cloud servers. Disabling this isolates your network history entirely to your physical device, completely cutting off the background pipeline where data brokers leak your past physical locations through public hotspot logs. 3. Inactivity Hardware Restart. Go back to your main settings, open Security and Privacy, select More Security Settings, and toggle on Inactivity Restart. This activates a localized cryptographic lockdown on your file system. If your phone remains locked for 72 hours, it automatically triggers a hard reboot. This transitions your hardware from an after first unlock state to a before first unlock state, instantly neutralizing advanced law enforcement brute force tools and hardware hacking boxes by locking your encryption keys deep within the secure processor. 4. Android Safe Browsing Live Defenses. In that same More Security Settings menu, tap on Android Safe Browsing and make sure Use Live Threat Protection is turned on. This switches your security telemetry from slow, local database updates to an instantaneous real-time cloud lookup engine. Every hidden URL, phishing redirect, or exploit script your apps try to open in the background is checked live against global security definitions before it executes on your screen, giving you seamless, localized browser protection. 5. Identity Check. Right there in Security and Privacy, tap on Lost Device Protection, hit Theft Protection, and open Identity Check. Professional thieves will literally stalk you to memorize your lock screen PIN before snatching your phone. Once they have it, they instantly try to change your passwords and lock you out. This hidden setting completely breaks their master plan. Outside of your trusted safe places, any attempt to change sensitive device configurations will strictly block PIN entries, forcing a mandatory biometric fingerprint scan and triggering a secure network delay. Even if a thief knows your passcode, your hardware stays completely bulletproof. Share this video with another Samsung user to protect their device, and follow for more Samsung security tips.